Imagine a war where soldiers don't fight on the front lines but algorithms do. A future where drones decide who lives and who dies faster than any human commander. This is not science fiction anymore, it's already happening. Artificial intelligence is not just transforming technology, it's rewriting the rules of geopolitics, warfare, and global power. Welcome to the age of AI warfare, the invisible battlefield of the 21st century. Welcome to Closed Letter Analysis. Now we talk about AI warfare, the silent revolution changing global powers. Now we talk about what is AI warfare. The artificial intelligence warfare referred to the use of advanced algorithms, machine learning, autonomous weapons, and data-driven decision-making in military operations. Unlike traditional wars, AI wars not are just a fight with tanks, missiles, and soldiers. They are fight with autonomous drones, cyber weapons, surveillance networks, and predictive analytical. In simple terms, AI is giving nations the power to fight smarter, faster, and deadlier wars. Now, we talk about how AI is changing geopolitics and world order. AI warfare is more than just a military upgrade, it's a geopolitical revolution. The world order of the past was defined by nuclear weapons and oil, but the future order is being shaped by AI supremacy. Centuries like the countries like the United States, China, and Russia are racing to build the most advanced AI driven military systems. This race is not about who more soldiers, but who has the best algorithms. For smaller nations, AI provide both opportunity and risk. On one hand, AI weapons allow even bigger states to punch above their weight, making traditional military power less relevant. On the other hand, dependence on foreign AI technology may increase global inequalities, creating a new type of digital colonization. Now, AI warfare is a action. Ukraine and Israel is a huge example of this AI warfare. AI warfare. We don't have imagined future wars. AI warfare is already shaping current conflicts. Russia versus Ukraine war is a live example. Ukraine has used AI powered drone, automated surveillance, and predictive targeting to resist Russia's much later larger military weapons. AI tools are analyzing satellite imaging, predicting missiles strike, and even intercepting Russia's propaganda online. Russia too has deployed AI inbuilt missile guidance and cyber warfare tactics. This is the first major war where AI is playing a decisive role in real time. Now we talk about Israel and Hamas war. Israel has been using AI-driven intelligence system to identify potentially militant hideouts, analyze communication pattern, and direct precision strikes. Reports suggest that AI is helping the Israeli military prioritize targets within seconds. Hamas, on the other hand, has tried to exploit AI generated propaganda and low cost drones, showing that even non state actors can weaponize AI tools. These conflicts shows us one truth. AI is no longer an accessories. It is a new frontline commander. Now we talk about global impact of AI warfare. The rise of AI warfare has free-reaching consequences. First is military balance shift. Traditional military gains may lose their advantage if smaller nations or groups gain access to power AI weapons. Second is autonomous weapon risk. Killer robots or autonomous drones could be one day decide targets without human approval, creating ethical nightmares. Third is cyber security threats. War may no longer require tanks, hacking an enemy's power grid or defense system could paralyze a nation. Fourth is propaganda and information warfare. Deepfake AI generated disinformation and psychological warfare could destabilize democracies from within. Global arm race. Just like the nuclear arm race of 20th century, the AI arms race of the 21st century could create new Cold War style tensions. What is your opinion on this point? Fifth is the regulation problem. Here lies the biggest challenge, regulation. Unlike nuclear weapons, AI is not just restricted to military labs. It is being developed in private companies, universities, and even by individuals. How do you regulate something that is everywhere? This is a bigger question. The United Nations has debated AI warfare, but there is no global treaty banning or restricting autonomous weapons. The US and China are reluctant to impose strict rules because the both want to dominate this field. Meanwhile, human rights groups warn that without regulation, we may face a future where machines decide war, not human beings. Fifth is now new problems emerging from warfare. AI warfare bring unpredictable problems. Accountability. Who is accountable of this gap? If an AI drone kill a civilian, who is responsible for this? The programmer, the commander, or the algorithm? Who is? The unpredictable outcomes. AI system can make mistake or act in unexpected ways. A single error. Now listen carefully. A single error could spark a global conflict. Accessibility to terrorists. Unlike nuclear weapons, AI tools are much cheaper. Even a terrorist group could weaponize AI to launch cyber attack or drone strikes. Human control erosion. The faster AI becomes, the less time humans have to make decisions. That could push us into war we never intended to fight. The most important point is the future of world order under AI. AI is changing not just warfare, but the very foundation of world order. Superpowers that master AI will dominate global politics. Alliances make a shift not around ideology, but around AI technology sharing. NATO Quad and BRICS are already targeting AI strategies into their defense policies. The real question is, will AI bring a balance of power or conflicts? Will it deter where war like nuclear weapon did, or make war more frequent while lowering human cost? The whole conclusion of this video is the age of AI warfare has begun. Drones now replace tanks, algorithms replace journals, and data replace bullets. This silent revolution is not just transforming militaries, it is reshaping the destiny of nations. The future of geopolitics will not to be decided in parliaments or in battlefields, but in server rooms and data centers. The country that controls AI will control the future. What is your whole opinion on this topic? Comment down below in comment box and subscribe the closed letter analysis. Thank you.